Hello and welcome to my curl products. My name is Lisa, Styles by Lisa, and I am the founder of My Curl Products. And today I will be doing a wash and go on my beautiful daughter, Malia. Hey everybody, so I've shampooed and conditioned her, and I'm starting with our Moist Restore leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to distribute it throughout her hair. As you can see, she has two different textures. I'm going to add a lot of water to it to make sure that it's wet, but I wanted you to notice that she has a curlier texture, tighter texture, texture 4 in the back, and then a looser texture in the front. And it is very similar to my hair. We have different textures but similar characteristics. So I have her sectioned, and I am starting with the curl foaming mousse, and I'm going to apply about 1/4 size of the curl foaming mousse to this whole entire section. With her texture, I want to use not as much of the curl foaming mousse and more of the gel, so that she'll have a better hold. Because of her texture and her porosity, it's better for you to use less of the mousse and more of the extra curls for a tighter hold. And so I'm going to start at the very back in the nape area, and I'm going to wet this section and apply the extra curls, making sure that I apply plenty of water so that the products absorb into the hair. And as you can see, she has a looser texture. I would call her texture in the back a 4A texture, which is it is a looser curl pattern. I'm twirling the ends just to give it a tighter curl on the ends, just to make sure that she has curls on the ends. In her middle section, her curl pattern is a little bit tighter. So when you're applying the product, you want to definitely observe your hair and apply the techniques needed to customize the different sections of your hair. Like oftentimes people might have a looser texture in the front, so it might require you to finger coil it or sometimes even twist it to blend. Nobody's hair is perfect, nobody's curls are perfect, and it's perfectly okay. So in her front section, her curls are a little bit looser. So I am applying the water to make sure that it's wet. You want to always apply water because the products absorb better into the hair and hold better when the hair is hydrated with water. Okay, and this is my last section. I did color in her hair not too long ago. Highlights. I have had highlights. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer. With her texture, which is like the 4A texture, it's important to make sure to treat your hair with great deep conditioners as well as protein treatments. Protein treatments helps to strengthen the elasticity of the hair. And I recommend that you do protein treatments at least every 2 months. And it helps out a lot. It helps the hair to retain moisture better. Moisture meaning water, because it is very important that the hair absorbs water. Actually, that's everything. So I'm finishing up this top section. Last piece. And then I am going to put her under the dryer until her hair is completely dry. It is very important that you sit under a dryer, especially with this texture hair, because it makes the curls last longer. Her hair is pretty thick, and it's important that her hair dries at the roots. A lot of times we'll let the ends dry but not the roots, and then the roots will get puffy. So there it is, and here's the final results. Wash and go, Malia. Thank you for watching. To see more of our videos, or my videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Curl Channel. And to find out more about our products, visit our site, mycurlproducts.com. Thank you.